Pakora Chaat is a popular Indian street food. It consists of pakoras and lots of different toppings, and you can get really creative with what you put onto it. It's a delicious vegetarian dish, and I'm going to show you my version. So we need to start with some pakoras. Now, there are many different flavours. I'm using spinach pakoras. These are fantastic to have on standby in the freezer. Great to snack with, but also great for a dish like this. I do suggest when you are cooking them in the oven, separate them so they're not touching each other too much. That ensures that they go super crispy. And these are going to cook for about 10 to 12 minutes at 175 degrees. These spinach pakoras smell so good. There's also onion and spices in it, so you can really smell that as it roasts in the oven. So now that they're cooked, we're just going to place them onto a plate. The whole idea is to layer it with different textures and flavours. To this, I'm going to add some yoghurt. So lots of little dollops of yoghurt in and around. And all over here. And I love the addition of some onion. You could pickle your onions if you like. I'm just going to keep it raw and super fine. And then just break them up slightly. So we've got little thin slivers of that over the top. You can see all the colours contrasting together. It's so pretty. Some spices, a hint of chilli, particularly over that yoghurt to flavour that. Some cumin. And you could add any type of chutney. A mango chutney would work nicely. I've got a coriander and mint one. This has got a little bit of heat to it. So I like to sort of dollop it next to the yoghurt so it mixes in with that. And you can see all these colours coming together. This is a really interesting addition. Pomegranate molasses. I love the sweet tartness of it. And we'll drizzle that over the top just to tie everything together. And for some texture, some aloo bhujia. These are spicy potato noodles. They're addictive. So good with this. A little sprinkle over the top. And finally, some fresh herbs. What's a dish like this without some coriander over the top? Just a few sprigs. And I love the addition of some fresh mint. I've got some fresh mint here in my kitchen, so I'm just gonna take a few little tiny fresh mint leaves and we'll just scatter that over the top. And you can only imagine how tasty this is going to be. Warm spinach pakoras, you've got the cool yogurt, the spices, freshness of the onion and herbs. It's a lot of fun. Indian street food. It is vibrant, just like this dish.